guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am focusing on my upstairs bathroom. This is going to be a mini makeover. I didn't spend hardly anything on this. I'm trying to freshen it up and make it nice. So let's get started. So I started off by clearing everything out of the bathroom. I took out the trash. I started taking everything off of this over the toilet organizer just so I could start fresh. Everything in here was kind of mismatched. Things I had gotten from the thrift store or things that Justin had at his first apartment. So I had some blue things, I had some black and white things. So I just wanted a fresh, clean start. I was very excited to pick up this rolling cart at Five Below. This was in the $10 section. So I got this because I wanted some extra storage. So I have the cabinets too, but I really wanted to keep cleaning supplies under there, extra toilet paper and those type of things. And when we have guests over, I kind of wanted everything to be out in the open so that if someone needed something, they could just grab it. They didn't have to dig through drawers. So all this took was a screwdriver and 6 screws to put this together. And I think I put this together in less than 10 minutes. And this is how it looks. I really love it. It's definitely cheaper quality, obviously, than the one sold at IKEA, but for 10 bucks, I thought this was pretty good, and I love this detailing, this pattern on the inside. So this is a painting I already had on hand. I bought this from Target and I love it. I really wanted to use it in this bathroom and I wanted it to cover the holes where the previous towel rod was, but it didn't quite go with the pattern of the shower curtain. So I ended up taking those down. At some point maybe I'll get a white shower curtain and I'll put the paintings back up, but for now I'm gonna leave them down. thank you for watching. I hope this inspires you to tackle a bathroom in your house. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I really want to keep making these videos, so comment below what project or what room would you like to see next. This is Laurel Wood, the Artsy Accountant. Thanks for watching. Bye.